What do the warning indicator lights on the 2024 Buick Encore GX dashboard mean? How can you quickly identify crucial alerts in the cluster display? This guide will answer your questions about each symbol's purpose and what actions you should take. Instrument cluster.
Cluster indicators. Door ajar light, anti-lock brake system. Airbag readiness light, charging system light, brake system warning light, cruise control light, electric parking brake light, engine coolant temperature, engine oil pressure light, malfunction indicator lamp, forward collision alert, high beam on light, lamps on reminder, pedestrian ahead indicator, lane departure warning, lane keep assist, low fuel warning light, auto hold indicator, all-wheel drive light, front-wheel drive light, driver seat belt reminder light, security light, service electric parking brake light, StabiliTrak off light, traction control system, tire pressure light, traction off light, vehicle ahead indicator, adaptive cruise control light, IntelliBeam light, front fog lamp light, passenger airbag status indicator, auto stop indicator light, adaptive cruise control light, high beam assist, gauges and meters, speedometer, odometer, trip odometer, tachometer, fuel gauge, engine coolant temperature gauge, safety precautions, know your symbols, immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. General instrument cluster symbols. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Thank you for watching. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips.